Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video I want to show you how to make a bouncing ball with soft body physics. First of all, I want to show you what I mean. You can see it is bouncing, and in here I used clothes because if you are a new learner, you should use many simulation or many aspects of blenders at the same time to repeat to learn. This my advice. This is what I am doing. When I learn something, I use it for in many projects design. Even it's not necessary, I use that. So I advise you should do that. In soft body physics, with soft body physics, you can do many things, but bouncing ball is just one of them. It's a very simple way. So I'm going to show you this very simple physics, and then we are going to learn more later in other videos. Yes, let's start it. First of all, I'm going to close this and start my buttons. Sorry for that, I always forget to do this. And the one, yes, start. Now I'm going to add a new collection, and I'm going to add a plane first of all. Press S to scale it, and then I'm going to add a mesh, another mesh, UV sphere. It doesn't have to be so so segments. I think 16 is enough. Okay, now S to scale, sorry, close that, S to scale, and I'm going to bring it here, and it's very big. Scale this one. I'm going to make this one red to show you, and this one, this color green. Yep, maybe this one. Okay, now if I click this one, I'm sorry, I have to go to click enable this soft body, and you can see now it is enabled. If I click this, you can see nothing happens. Sorry, nothing happens. Why? Let's go. Sorry. Oh, yeah, no. You can see nothing happens. Now I'm going. Why it doesn't go down? Because we have to disable this goal. Like this one. You can see it's go down. Why it goes down? Because go through this plane, because we didn't click it as collision. Yes, now you can see. Yes, I'm going to show you. I think I should make it bigger. Okay, now you can see it collide to this plane, but we don't want this one. It has to bounce. Now we are going to first of all click stiffness, because we need stiffness. Now you can see it doesn't change, and I'm going to increase this to 4. Banding, yes. Let's do that. And now you can see it's bouncing. If I make this 8, you can see is bouncing again. As to scale, and you need, as you know in physics, you need more potential energy if you want to bounce more. Yeah, and I am going to increase this to 10. You can see. And now this, you can use self collision, but in this case self collision is not useful like black we made before. And now I'm going to, yes, you can increase or decrease your gravity. Before I made this one, if I make it my gravity, sorry, nope, not this one, for this, make it 0.2. I think it's bounce more. 0.5 is good, I think. Yeah, and you can bake now. You can see it's calculate a lot, fast. And now after this calculation and bake, you can go to subdivision surface and make it smooth. Now it doesn't affect your calculation because you already baked. Now that's all. I'm going to hide this, and now, sorry, and now you can see you can make something very funny like this. And soft body is very useful because in real world there are many soft things like pillows and sugars like balls and many soft objects we have. So soft body physics is very useful, and this is just a very simple way to use it as a bouncing ball, and you can use it for many things. It depends just just your imagination limits you. So try many things. Thanks for watching, and see you at another video. If you like this video, you think it is useful, please press like button and subscribe my channel.